Hey, but so you don't know wavy cakes?
No sir, who's that? I never heard of that. Did you hear?
How's it going, guys? It's been 2 weeks since my girl's been gone. She comes back today. It's been a long time, so you know, it's the end of the month. You know what time that is? Quick $10 flowers. Look how beautiful. I know, but yeah, there's that. Just bought my dad a cake. Bought my dad a cake. His birthday is tomorrow, so bought my dad a cake. And we got some panucha. While buying the cake, you know. Panucha just tempts me. Panucha just tempts me, and I'm sure it tempts all of us. But, hey, panucha. And I forgot to mention, you see the new cap. You see the new pink brim. Lakers. I think there's a patch. There's a patch right there, I think. And a patch on the back. So yeah, new cap alert. Hey. A great day to see my girlfriend for the first time, isn't it? I haven't seen her since it's almost 2 weeks, my brothers. I'm getting to her house right now. She's gonna come out, we're gonna see us, me, and everyone watching is gonna see this girl for the first time in 2 weeks. Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh, those are for you.
Thank you. I'm not really nervous.
I'm so nervous right now.
Hi. Give me a hug.
This looks a little sus. It looks like she's been...
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Give me 1 sec, boy. Since I missed that.
I don't think they're gonna be excited to see me. Don't get mad.
Jealousy is a very bad drug. Look at that.
Look at that. Wait, stop. Hi, baby.
Look at this. Look at this. Jealousy.
Stop.
Jealousy. Oh, you're hot. We're gonna do a challenge. Me and him. We're here at Dollar Tree. Limited selection. Let's get it. Oh, okay. So we're gonna do a cooking challenge. With just Dollar Tree items. Everything Dollar Tree.
Oh, no alcohol.
And see who comes out better. Huh?
No alcohol. You think I could down it?
You can pick up 5 items. Got it?
5 items, bet that.
5 items. You go first. Why do you need 3 for?
What do you mean?
Damn, that girl's hot. What?
Look, you can make spaghetti and meatballs.
Smart.
You're not his boyfriend?
No help.
No.
Which one?
This one. Now you gotta get cheese.
That's 2?
Oh,
wait,
yeah,
there might
bro,
be
I'm
beef
getting
right
at the
there.
house.
Wait.
This boy likes meat flavored. Go, keep going.
Doesn't really matter what cheese you get.
Parmesan, 3. That's 3.
3.
How much do you get? 5. 5?
I need meat.
I'm telling you, sausage.
I want meat in my butt.
Trust.
4. Alright, I'm just gonna start on mine. Pick your 5th item. Let's go. Alright. Help me.
You
So-
can make hot dogs
Mm-hmm.
or burgers.
Or, what if I make... Have you seen that, like, ramen with egg and stuff?
Ramen.
Oh,
Is there eggs here?
there is eggs.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think this. What do you put in there?
Ramen, egg, butter, stuff like that.
Okay, be
Get
good.
the ramen. Get the eggs.
Where? No. This is yours. Here.
Bam.
Get the eggs.
Oh my gosh. Eggs.
And the butter?
What else do you think?
Takis.
Not Takis, you said?
Yeah.
Four ingredients: butter, Takis, ramen, egg.
Perfect.
What
Good?
else? Is that it?
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna get one more seasoning, and that's it. Let's wrap it up.
Turn it off. It's gonna be too much water. Turn it off. Turn it off. Ethan.
I thought Ethan was doing
I know. It's
Turn off
that's
the
his
water.
order.
What do you mean?
Aren't you supposed to be cooking? He's doing anything.
He's not cooking, he's just filling the bowl
Nice
up.
bulge.
Why do you say that?
What the?
You know what a bulge is?
I know what it is.
Her.
Oh, that's weird.
I said, why are you saying that?
I know.
Wanna see your
Look, there
bulge?
was.
Oh
Crushed
yeah,
red
we
pepper?
need this one.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, I want to use this one because this one's like from Dollar Tree.
Yeah, you do have a nice bulge. Ed. Let's see your bulge.
Stop!
Mm.
He does have a pretty big bulge.
You're good. There you go.
And it begins. Is that just spice and water?
Yeah. It's my meal.
Oh, nice. Go.
You would want sausage.
Okay. So like, just gonna cook water and spices.
Trading it for boil.
Okay. So how's it going? Boiling just spices and water.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Hey.
And it's like a strict like science.
Hey, those are some nice cheeks. Oh.
You need some spray first.
Oh yeah, you were supposed to put like olive oil, no?
Yeah,
No,
but I
no.
don't know if there's some. No, in that one.
Oh,
Because
okay.
it's burning the pan.
Yeah, it is.
It doesn't burn the pan. What he did made it burn the pan.
What did you do?
He left it on
That's about right.
with nothing in it.
You see that?
Think that's about right?
Well, then just put the sauce already.
No, not yet.
Why?
It's gonna take like 8 or
Just
9
let them do their
Okay,
thing.
okay.
It's them.
So the thing.
Let them do their thing.
Hey, put anything in. Chill.
What's up? Why is this kid acting like he's doing anything? Move. My goodness.
Go.
No,
It's not boiled yet, you stupid.
Okay, whatever.
You're not supposed to break them in half.
Yeah. What it is.
The Italians are gonna get really mad.
Beep.
Yeah. Alright. Starting on mine. First the eggs.
Ethan, do you have like things to touch this? Okay, come on.
Oh shoot, it's recording. Uh-oh.
Oh, did I?
Yeah, I haven't been doing anything. Yeah.
Oh.
I can open that, I'm not a freaking kid. I could have done that.
You could have, but I did it.
Why? I'm supposed to be doing everything.
No, is it? Lorraine's gonna help him.
No, she's not. She's doing homework like a little kid.
Guys, Ethan has
Turn on
done nothing at all. Guys, this is how you get the eggs out.
Watch it. Dang, I can't get any. I'm just gonna do this.
Alright guys, this is how theirs coming out kind of watery, I guess.
No, it looks very watery.
Because there's no meat.
You put
That's just Dollar Tree spaghetti.
Do you put ice in it? Or
I'm
no?
onto the ramen. Looks
Ew.
very...
Ew.
You're supposed to be confident about your food.
I didn't say anything.
You said ew.
I didn't say ew. I think it needs more spaghetti.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's very wet.
Mmm. That's what your mom said.
What?
There you go.
Why did my mom say it's very wet?
Is that what?
Rain says she wants to try my food.
She is a taste tester, you idiot.
No, she's not.
Get some brain cells, buddy.
I'm gonna be super honest.
Yeah, she's gonna be super honest.
Super honest.
Okay.
Hey, Ethan.
So, be honest about my size, you know?
2 inches, to be honest.
Just be honest.
I think.
Get away from me.
Ethan thinks it's very small, dude.
I don't think it's small.
Oh,
You have to get small.
it's a little gay.
Here.
You guys have all seen it. I mean, you guys see each other's.
You've seen mine like 3 times because he walks in on me in the shower. And me shaving my legs.
That video was so good.
Oh, anyways, we're back to the plate. Let me see.
Yo.
This is our final product, right? Final product?
Yep,
Here, hold it.
Final product. We're gonna have 2 taste testers, my dad and this woman. So, yeah.
We're right here.
Dollar Tree spaghetti.
No. Who used this fork? No one.
No one.
Just put it there.
Mmm.
There's no meat in there? No.
No, there was no
Just
meat.
taste it. It's hot. You guys put spicy?
Does that mean it's
Oh, yeah,
trash?
there's a little bit of
It has a little bit of
Yeah,
pepper.
it's probably trash.
No, I'm even getting seconds.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. That's nice. It's your favorite sentiment.
Actually, I want to try it.
You're gonna use my fork.
I'm just gonna dump it in my mouth.
Might as well kiss him.
Like tree. Is it good again?
And then Lorraine's gonna use the same fork.
Yeah. Alright guys, adding eggs to the noodles right now. Alright guys, for the finishing touches, Takis.
What the?
I think you should have crushed it up a little.
Yeah, me too, but oh well.
Looks pretty disgusting.
Think so?
Yeah.
Thanks. Finished product.
Hey, this is really good actually.
What, the freaking
Dad.
spaghetti, dude?
Now it's protein shakes.
Oh.
Come here.
Yeah.
You can't be biased. Even though you got a favorite son, can't be biased.
This is what?
Just try it. Just get a good bite. Oh yeah, is that a good bite? That is a good bite.
It's hot.
No seconds?
For what? But what is this supposed to be?
Just, it's a meal.
Oh, I'm comparing meals, not spaghetti to spaghetti.
Top ramen.
So yeah, it's meal to meal. Oh, seconds.
It looks good.
Looks good, right?
The red.
I would say so myself. I haven't even tried it. Third or no?
I think you need to try it again. Mine.
Which one would you eat? If it was both of them on a menu, which one are you picking? Wait, what?
What? No way.
That's because
Really?
I don't like store-bought.
Wait, that was from the
I don't
store.
like store-bought sauce.
Yeah, this is handmade.
any sauce.
Handmade. Sheesh.
I like grandma's
that's,
sauce.
That's 1-0. That's 1-0.
This.
Alright, next person. I'm 1-0. This is if I win this one, you lose. We need a tiebreaker if there's one. Okay. Yeah? Looking a little mad there, buddy.
I don't know. Let me try it again. Kinda tastes weird.
Thanks.
Okay, I need to taste Ethan's.
Bro.
But it's I'm hungry.
It's good? Yeah? No! No! Don't you...
Yes. They're ready.
Well, I got Daddy's approval. The tiebreaker will be dependent on
Devin.
y'all's comments.
No, Devin.
He's
Can you shut up? I'm talking.
He left.
The tiebreaker will be y'all's comments. So Y'all are basically gonna peek. Y'all are basically.
yours.
Oh, this one was
You're literally gonna make me slap you.
Oh my god.
For what?
Guys, I'm sorry. I get a little emotional over you guys, but.
I'll stab you.
Okay. Y'all are basically gonna be the tiebreaker. Y'all's comments will determine who wins, me versus him. Wait, they can't even taste it. What the heck? Based off of looks. Based off of looks, y'all are gonna
I thought
decide.
you're gonna win off of looks, you idiot.
A little bit.
I need to take a poop real quick.
Can I see your fingers? E-boy. E-boy.
I really need to poop really bad.
Oh, nice.
Kid's gonna dry scoop it, not water.
Dry scoop.
You use water, you can't just dry scoop.
Yeah, you can.
Who's ever done that?
Just use your saliva. Or you want to like drink water and then spit it in your mouth. Have you seen those TikToks?
So I can't drink water? How does it smell like that?
It's all greens.
It's all greens, baby. Get your greens in. E-boy.
Oh!
Wow, I didn't get that. I thought you accomplished it. Look at, he already had the money out. Wow, he already had the money out ready for you. Could have made it easy 20.
That texture was disgusting.
That's all.
E-boy.